Hey everybody, it's new merchandise time here on Orland Dave. I've actually had this for a little while and I just wanted to get this video out. Now ideally I would shoot this in EPCOT in front of Test Track, but since Disney Springs and City Walk are open, but the theme parks are not yet until next week, figured I'd come to a park, although Disney probably wouldn't let me bring the tripod in anyway, so it's time for, well, I would say an unboxing, but it's not a box, is it? First, Stella Pity shirt, also for sale. This is from Teespring. Obviously, haven't seen it yet. And it is a shirt that I started working on actually quite a few years ago. And then the artist I worked with, I lost contact with her, or she stopped selling on Fiverr for a little bit. This is a shirt of me riding in Test Track in all 6 seats. It actually is a photo I put together in Photoshop, and now it's a shirt. Another merchandise on Teespring, and that's the perfect time for the wind to kick up. So this is 6 Daves in the car. Now I put this up as a description on Teespring as me riding in Test Track at Walt Disney World, and they rejected the design because I used Walt Disney World in the description. Not even never mind the design. The description said Walt Disney World, so they denied it. Thanks. That would have been really nice SEO. So here's obviously how it looks in black, and there'll be many other options. The link is below. So this is me, obviously, riding Test Track. And then as you can see, I'll put the graphic up on the screen so you don't have to look at the shirt. You can see I was inspired by the font for the Test Track logo. So I hope you enjoy this. I haven't put up a lot of new merchandise in a while and haven't really been selling any because after several years I still haven't gotten to that 2,000 mark, and YouTube won't let me have a merch shelf. Hopefully they just sent out a poll or a few questions to answer, and one of the options was, do I think that the barrier for entry for the merchandise shelf is too high? And of course I said yes. We'll see where that goes, probably nowhere. But again, 6 Daves in the car, available now on, it should be both Teespring and, I always forget the other name of the place. Spreadshirt, because it's a weird name. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the merch shop.